Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video here at your favorite channel of your choice, Saint TV. Uncle Saint is my name. Yes, the only Zimbabwean uncle. Yes, gotwemba mana mama. Ndinichi gotwemba mana mai venyu mimandiri. So today I'm here in Chitungwiza. This is Chitungwiza, Manyame Park. I think you know the story of these two girls. This is Shalom Taruvinga and Shamaine Taruvinga. These girls are orphans, and of recent we did a video showing how they survive. Yes, vana ava vanogara vega. Yes, they stay alone, and we were alarmed by someone who told us about these kids some few months ago. Then we came and did a video with these kids. So today we are here. We just want to see them. It's a day before Christmas. Today is 24 December. So we are here. We just want to present something, obviously, which came from you guys. I just want to say thank you very much for standing with these kids. Thank you very much for supporting them. Also, I just want to say thank you very much to Destiny Achievers for giving them some scholarships. So these kids, they no longer pay school fees. They are now at a boarding school in Glen Forest. Yes, Glen Forest. So today I'm sitting here with Shalom and Shamaine. We just want to hear from them their school experience, this holidays experience, what they are doing, what's happening to them. And that since our videos are being watched internationally. So 2025 I'll be using English. So musazondimakire chirungu ane chotondinetsawo chirungu. Shalom. Ndiri nani? Unogona kutaura chirungu semunhu ari kudzidza kubhodhingi. Timbotry handiti. How are you?
I'm fine.
What is your name?
My name is Shalom Taruvinga. I'm grade 5.
Grade 5. How old are you?
I'm 13 years.
Yeah, you turned 13.
Yes.
Yes. So who is your teacher?
It's Mem Mangena.
Mem Mangena.
Yes.
And who is your principal at school?
Mem Gambisa.
Mem Dr. Gambisa, right?
Yes.
Yes. So what do you like about your school?
We do many activities and then
Okay.
and we speak English at our school.
You speak English at your school?
Yes.
Oh, that's beautiful. So I can see now you can speak English. They are doing a great job, right?
Yes.
So did you pass
Yes.
this previous term?
Yes, I did. They didn't give me a report.
No, they didn't give you the report,
Yes.
but you did pass.
Yes.
I saw, congratulations. I saw they gave you an award, a certificate.
Yes.
For grade 5.
Yes.
Congratulations. Keep it up, right?
Okay.
Okay, we are very proud of you. All right?
Yes.
We are very proud of you. Hello, Shamaine.
I am fine.
What is your name?
Shalom Taruvinga.
You are in grade
3.
Grade 3. What's your favorite subject?
English.
English. Oh, beautiful. And what's the name of your teacher?
Mem Manyama.
Mem Manyama. All right. So what do you like about your school?
Speaking English.
Speaking in English. It's interesting, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So did you pass?
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Keep it up, right? Yeah. So next year you'll be going to grade what?
Grade 4.
Grade 4.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. So what do you want to say to people who are helping you out?
Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful. So today we are here. We've got something which we want to give you, right?
Okay.
There are some groceries here, as you can see, for Christmas. Some spas, some snacks, some biscuits. Everything is here. Okay. And also we've got some clothes which came from someone sent some clothes and said, no, give them to our daughters, right? So what do you want to say, Shamaine, to the people who send you some gifts?
Thank you.
Thank you. Shamaine, what do you want to say to them?
I want to say thank you, all of you.
Thank you, all of you, for what you are doing for us. Yes. So I just want to give you these clothes, okay? I want to give you these clothes. All these clothes are yours. So I want you to go inside. I want you to go and change so that they can see that these are the clothes they've sent. You can change 1 or 2 clothes, right? So that any of your choice, so that they can see you in these clothes. So thank you very much, family. Kindly share this video for those who would want to support our kids. These kids, they stay alone. Me and you, we are their guardians. So we don't have to ignore them. I just want to say thank you for those who have sent something for them for Christmas. So after this, we still need to prepare for their TAC. They'll be going back to the boarding school. So for those who would want to partner with us so that we can improve the lives of these kids, please get in touch with us so that we can make it happen for them. We can make some donations and give them some food stuff or some tack for them to go back to school comfortably, right? So ndangondingozamawo vana mavanzwa vakutaura chirungu regai taure navo nechirungu. Mirai ipapo muone vana vakachena. Thank you so much. The name of the school is Destiny Achievers, right? What the name of your school?
Destiny Achievers.
Yes, it's Destiny Achievers. Such a good school, because you find that they are not good in English the way they are right now. It's one of the best. It is one of the best because these kids, even their confidence, they've built their confidence has been boosted, right? Now you can see that they've got all the confidence, which is good. So I just want to say a big shout out to Destiny Achievers for what you have done for our kids. Right, so last time you did a request, you remember? You said you wanted something. What did you say you want to eat for Christmas?
Chicken in and rice and pork.
Chicken in and rice and okay. So today I just got you something. Chicken in. This one is for you, and this one is for you. Chicken in, right? So you will enjoy your Christmas with chicken in, right? And it, Christmas yedu yatanga. Wonderful. So my drinks, I didn't buy you some drinks. I didn't know which one to buy. So I will give you some money for you to buy what? Your own drinks, your own beverages. So thank you very much, guys, for supporting Saint TV. Keep on supporting us. From Uncle Saint, the only Zimanko, for now we say much love and God bless. Right, Massive Sevens ndauya good news. Good news kwamuri from Shazin Technologies. So Shazin Technologies zvatakuita ndezvekuti tiri kupa zvikwereti kune Massive Sevens ese at zero deposit. Handiti chaunokwanisa kuita ndechekuti kana uchida ingava foni, ingava laptop, ingava iPad, ichingava chii chine zvekuita nezvetechnology, unongotibata panhamba dziri pascreen. Isusu tobva takupa gadget rauri kuda. Izvi tinozviita at zero deposit. Asi zvaunongoita iwewe unofanira kungotanga watibata panhamba dziri pascreen. Gore richipera kudai izvi, kana wanga usina kutenga masofa, kana wanga usina kutenga zvaungada kutenga, tibate. Isusu tobva taita kuti zvinhu izvo zvivepo, and then upenyu hwako hutoendera mberi. Idhiri rakanaka randangoti ndoyozokuzivisa from Shazin Technology.